Hey there, I just picked up 49 HD TV channels that I didn't have before with this antenna. The brand sent this antenna over to me to test and try out, and it's super easy to install. With the antenna, you'll get the antenna with a super long cord so it can be placed wherever is best for you. Along with that, you'll get some brackets for hanging it on the wall or even outside under an eave if that's where you choose to put it. It is wired, so it'll need to stay connected to that wire to work. To install it, simply take the coaxial cable of the antenna and attach it to where the coaxial in the antenna goes into the TV. And then the HDMI cord gets plugged into one of the empty HDMI cords on your TV. Then go into your TV settings and scan the TV to see what kind of channels come up. This will vary depending on how close you are to the towers, landscapes, all of that stuff. Here I was able to get 49 channels. And if we look here, I'm just scrolling through the channels and look at how clear that picture is. We do not have cable and have not for a long time. And with this antenna, it will now allow us to stream local channels that we can pick up over the air. If you're looking for a way to cut the cord or maybe just see if you can get some extra channels at your house, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.